Have you ever wanted to apply for a new credit card but you're just not sure if you'll get approved? The fear of getting a rejection and seeing your credit score take a hit from a hard inquiry is a very real thing. Well, what if I told you there's a way to find out which Capital One cards you're likely to be approved for without any risk to your credit score? This is exactly what the Capital One credit card pre-approval tool is for, and it's a game changer. It's not a full application, but it gives you a personalized list of cards you're pre-approved for, which means you can apply with confidence. Here's exactly how it works and how to use it. First, you'll need to go to the official Capital One pre-approval page on their website. It's a simple, secure form that's designed to give you an answer in seconds. They'll ask for some basic personal information like your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. They'll also ask about your income and employment status. Now, here's the best part. Filling out this form only results in a soft inquiry on your credit report. This is a crucial distinction. A soft inquiry is essentially a background check that has zero impact on your credit score. This means you can see your options and make an informed decision without any of the worry. Once you submit the form, Capital One system will do a quick check and instantly present you with a list of cards you're pre-approved for. The offers you see are based on the information you provided and your credit profile. You'll see which cards you have a very high chance of getting, along with details like the annual fee, rewards, and interest rates. From there, it's totally up to you. You can choose to apply for one of the cards on your personalized list, or you can decide not to move forward. If you do choose to apply, that's when a hard inquiry will be made on your credit report, which can cause a small, temporary dip in your score. But since you've already been pre-approved, the odds of a full approval are extremely high. So, to recap, the Capital One pre-approval tool is an easy, free, and no-risk way to see your credit card options. It's a smart first step for anyone looking for a new card. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.